Welcome to our final installment in our Build a Barn series. Make sure you check out the rest of the videos in our pole barn playlist that show this project from the beginning to end. In this video, we wrap up our barn build with putting the tin on and a few other odds and ends. So what we did, we measured how far the purlins are apart, and so we're making marks where to drill the holes are. We already put one piece of tin up to test it and the measurements were good, so now we have 6 pieces of tin here and we can do them all at once. Be a little bit more efficient that way.
Hold the trigger. Squeeze hard.
Come on, big guy.
Okay, I'll let you go.
Good job.
Good job. Give me a high five. Ready? Good? Ready? I'm going to fling it over to you. Can you grab that? Okay. Now slide down to the end and hook it. Got it? Okay. Cool. You're doing good. so today we got the roof on. The only panels we didn't put on were the ones over the boiler. We need a chimney extension, so I didn't want to get too close to it. So we're about 4 panels shy. We wrapped rubber on the wrap board. The reason we do that is if your tin comes in contact with that treated lumber, the treated lumber can actually oxidize your tin, so that rubber insulates it from that. So then we put our rat guard trim piece up on the bottom. I just shot it with the laser. It's within 1/8 of an inch all the way around, so we're good there. Now I'll start running the 47-inch wainscot pieces. It in. Alright, so it's been a little bit since we updated on this. The stuff that I did, you can't really tell. It doesn't look like a lot of progress, but it's very time consuming. I got all the soffitting in, and I also got all of the fascia on. So that I can button this roof up. Alright, so this is what I've been working on. So as you can see, I got all the soffitting in. All the fascia is on. But what takes a little while to do is boxing all these corners. So all the fascia and softening's on, corners are boxed. And then as you can see, we got some tin on the gable end. We also got this end closed in. And then the other thing that we just did not long ago is we installed the man door. So there's that. So coming along pretty good. I'm gonna work on putting a few more screws in the gable ends tonight. And then I also got to put the closure strips in the end of the roof panels and put the last row of screws in. So I'll get that done this evening. Unfortunately, I haven't been taking a lot of videos because I'm doing this when I get home from work and it's dark out, so video quality is not the best. But this is where we're at with it.
It goes so fast once you get into that board.
Yeah. You gotta keep pressure on it, buddy. Good.
And it's gonna go.
A little more.
I think this is.
Alright, probably a little bit too tough for a 7-year-old to be getting into. We'll wait till Mama gets home. So what we're doing right now is we're putting up the header boards, or I guess the track board below the header. So we put this 2x6 up, that'll run all the way along this way, and then we'll put another 2x6 on the face of that, and that is what the track will bolt to. Matt and I did this one last night. I just got to finish nailing it in place. But you can see we got the 2x6 on the inside. And I'll box that. I'll put another 2x6 underneath it. That way I can wrap this whole door frame in trim. And then we got the 2x6 outside with the other 2x6 on the face of it. And like I say, that's where the track will bolt to. Softening's done. All the J channels up. I got the J channel behind around the man door. Gable ends are done. The roof is all buttoned up. So today we'll work on getting these track boards in place, get them good and secure. All right, a little rain. A little rain's gonna push us to do an inside job. So inside job for today, we are going to run some electrical. This needs lights. I'm tired of wearing a headlamp while I load wood in the evenings. So we're gonna run a circuit to this side. This side will eventually get a circuit, but not right now. Right now though, we'll run one circuit to this side, a couple of lights, an outlet, maybe two, and that'll be about all we need to get started here. Alright, so the barn's all done. We built a 24 by 48 by 12. Took about 2 months to build it. That was given the time that it took to knock the old one down, mill the lumber, and then construct the new one. I worked on it quite a bit throughout the fall, but I did a lot of it at nighttime because I was doing it after work. So I'll show you what it looks like here. So here's the final product. We got a 12 by 12 slider door on this side, 32-inch man door. And I did the eave lighting all the way around it. I got the lights and the soffit lighting, I think is what they call it. And then I got two 12-foot sliders on this side. And I put this milky paneling, transparent paneling on this side just to kind of let some natural light in. The boiler's in its house now. It's nice, we don't have to be out in the weather to load the boiler. And then here's what it looks like on the inside. We ended up using probably about 85% of our lumber to do it. We had to buy some 2x4s, and I had to buy some 2x6s as I mentioned in the truss video. But for the most part, I'd say the barn's around 85% Eastern Cottonwood. So that's how it turned out. Very happy with it. Obviously milling our own lumber saved us a lot of costs, so I'm very happy with the project. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe in order to see more action in our household.